Normally they like that, but they will be more stuff. May very लेकर आए हैं मेहनती बच्चे हैं बस तू बैग भारी बनाता है बस कौन से लगाएगा कुछ नहीं पहले दिन के लिए कौन से मैप्स गए हैं
ज्योग्राफी में कुछ काम नहीं करवाया सिर्फ टोपो में करवाया ज्योग्राफी टेक्स्ट में क्योंकि उसमें भी थोड़े से टोपो कैसे
टोपो वाला भी किधर से देख रहा है तो मैप्स वगैरह का कुछ
लाया
हाँ
क्या लाया
टेक्स्ट बुक बस
नेवान कौन है
बी
तू है क्या तेरा नाम है क्या
पता नहीं अरे वहां पर हमेशा उस तरफ बैठते थे मैं तो वो तू उधर बैठा था पता नहीं कब कोई आदमी बात कर रहे नहीं वहां जो ना अपना पैर ऊपर कर देता तो वो भी कर देता ऐसी लगता है ना पता है क्यों लाया क्या तूने लाया टोपो जी पर टोपो बुक नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं घर पर पड़ा हुआ है ये कलर पेंसिल की क्या जरूरत है तेरे को क्यों लाया मेरे को क्या मालूम पहले दिन के नाम से चालू नहीं होने वाला यहाँ पर उन्होंने नाम काट के सीखी थी क्या क्या है क्या वो आखिरी दिन पे गया था तुम लोग मैंने कब क्या था ये एग्जाम करते थे तो अच्छा तो फिर हाँ तब शायद तो लास्ट चैप्टर में तुमने नाम किया था उस टाइम पर तो था मैं पर मैं तू नहीं जाना फिर हाँ तो मैं एब्सेंट हूँ नेचुरल वेजिटेशन ये 15 हो गए तो इंश्योर से किया
Reading one of you. I said, you need to stand up and listen. Thank you. Anything paying problem? So next time I'm going to say, sir, relax. So SST first lecture for geography. So I will welcome to everybody. I think few knows me and few are new to me. I'm also new to you guys. Thanks for the subject. Okay. Myself, Alagi, I'll be handling entire geography and topo sheet as well. So initially we won't be tracking topo sheet. Okay. Out of all the attendees here, any of the schools they have touched this topic? Topo.
Yes.
Topo. Touched it?
Yeah.
How many topics? Which school are you guys? Oh. And did they complete ongoing while?
They're studying conventional science and symbols.
Okay.
From there,
So what is the general, what do you call it? Conclusion. Is it good, bad, very good?
okay.
Okay. So what I am going to do, I'll be starting with a chapter called climate. Correct?
Yes.
So that's the first proper chapter which is not initially in topo sheet. Because good thing is that कि हम लोग ज़्यादा explanation पर ध्यान देते हैं. Topo sheet definitely I do. Give me some time. क्योंकि आपका new old friends है ना? Just outside the line talking आएगा अंदर admission करेगा. So that we don't do that topo. कोई नहीं. तूने क्या नोइटी का बोल रहा है? It's okay. So I'll be as good as possible. I hope you are also. Any discipline related issues in 9th standard? पक्का टीचर से हुआ कि तेरे से हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. इतना अच्छा बच्चा है. What my method of teaching will be for since so many years I've been with UP. Okay, this year I'm doing some what I can say demographical changes. You understand demography? Geography में ही है. नहीं सुना है? अरे इंडिया का सबसे richest asset है demography. We put 1 mark question for an MCQ. In India, production of dash is done in large numbers. And options A, rice, wheat, correct? Millet, you understand millet? And the last option you might be smiling, It is called population, Indians. So which is the right option? Population. Are you sure? Your rise, we something on the Indian. That be pretty. In fact, when I teach demography in some part of geography, we found that is India has the fastest growth rate. Hello, anybody? In how many seconds we add one more Indians to the population? 10 years before, it was only 3 seconds. Understand what is 3 seconds? We add one proud Indian to the population. 1, 2, 3, 1 bacha born. Per minute. I say we have the youngest population and we have the strongest population. China ka population policy or China is asking the people to get married.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
One student is on online, Zoya.
I'll take care of the student. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Initially, I couldn't see. Who is it? Yeah, hi. It is Zoya.
Yes, sir.
Zoya, can you hear me clearly, loud and clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you are welcoming me from online? So welcome for me.
No, sir. Only for this month.
welcome.
No, sir. Sorry.
ये 2 लड़कियों ने मुझे चॉकलेट दिया है, एक लड़के ने मुझे अभी देंगे. Hi Zoya, how are you? You're from which school, Zoya?
Sir, for the international.
Oh, so be a part of my class. Don't be aloof, okay? So where I was discussing?
Population.
Of China. And China is forcing the people. और इंडिया में तो है ना, मतलब 12 के बाद हम टारगेट रेडी रखते हैं. सर मेरा प्लान रेडी है. तो कौन सा? है ना? फिर अभी China is forcing them and tell them please take 1 or 2. बोले क्या? Take 2. So that in population bursts. And we have a very tiny country called Japan. Have you heard about?
Yes.
There is the trouble. They are all more double matured people. 80 plus people are more in numbers. And बच्चे नहीं use country. मैं बोलता हूँ इंडिया से भेजे उधर, है ना? And we love Japan, sir. Hiroshima, Nagasaki comes in. No, please. Hiroshima, Nagasaki is a part of our history, है ना? So how many do not like history? I'm the first one to raise my hand. You do not like. Okay. So how many do like geography? I do like. So neither you are going to pose me any challenge, but I will throw many challenges. ये दोनों जीता जाता example है ना? क्या challenge है?
पुराना वाला.
सबसे पुराना. ये तो मेरा बचपन से मेरे साथ. हाँ, ये बहुत पुराना बचपन से. So I will be raising questions through the chapters, and bad thing I will be answering all the questions. But unfortunately, एक दो क्वेश्चन है तेरा दादागिरी नहीं. बिल्कुल. So geography, we are going to start with the chapter climate. Is it okay? So instead of writing on the board, not facing you guys, and showing my back is in the back screen. Right? What's it? Wait for the first impression, the second impression. What phrase is it? Trisha. The first impression is that. Okay. So how many of you understand when I ask the word climate? Let us start with the online. Zoya, any idea dear what is climate means? No need to look into the pages. है ना ऐसे आज climate अच्छा है ऐसा बोलते हैं हम लोग.
Yes, sir.
आज climate कैसा है? What do I ask? Do I say today's climate or today's weather? Confirm?
Yes.
Anybody saying today's climate? Zoya, what are you saying? Today's weather or today's climate?
Weather.
Today's weather. When we use the word climate, then
For
India's climate. Am I correct? India's weather. Wait, India's climate. Shall I say Maharashtra's climate?
Yes.
So generally the first point of distinction between climate and weather is for a shorter duration or of a smaller place. And climate is for a larger geographical area and for a longer period of time. I mean, how many years if I calculate, then I'll say it is the climate of that country. Any particular year number? 1 साल, 2 साल,
Around 10 years.
10 years. Good bowling. हाँ 10 एक ball. That minimum period of 30 or 35 years. Bowling से दूर.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Then only I can say India's climate is monsoonal climate. Do you accept India's climate is monsoonal? What is the word monsoon? Monsoon का मतलब नहीं है. अरे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yes.
Yes, rain. The word comes from Arabic or Persian called मौसम. है ना, फिर हिंदी का बॉलीवुड में मौसम के ऊपर बहुत सारे गाने गा रहे हैं, है ना, तुरंत गाना है. So we always believe climate for the whole country, whether it's for a small. Climate I observe for how many years? 30, 35 years continuous. Whereas weather, maybe for 1 day, 2 day, or maybe for a period of fortnight. What is fortnight?
अरे ज़्यादा है. कुछ तो months का है ना.
So one. Fortnight. Who can? Yes, Risha.
Years का कुछ तो था.
तो मुझे
पर यार
Fort का night अच्छा. Anybody? Fortnight. ठीक है. तो करो.
फिर वो जितने आते 8 days तो था.
Wrong answer. Anybody. So yeah, what is fortnight here?
मतलब ये बोलते हैं ना.
14 days and 15th night. So it is a fortnight. So I can give you weather forecast for a fortnight, maybe for 1 month or maybe for 2 months. And so after 15 years down the line, India's climate is going to be आज का climate का बता तू क्या 15 साल के बाद. Alright. So we for ordinary person, weather and climate is very same, but for you and me, it has a lot of difference. If you don't remember like this, everyone have the bad habit of watching news channels. I said bad habit. Is it bad or good habit?
It's a good habit.
Good habit. Even I do watch. The most important, the coordinator, the presenter has to be a beautiful accent. Accent is not beautiful. समझा? तो मैं बोल beautifully present हो रहा है तो मैं सुनता हूँ. ऐसे नहीं कि इंडिया में एक अर्णव करके एक बंदा है ना, he calls so many people, he's the only people. है ना, फिर 1 घंटे का न्यूज चैनल में लास्ट का 10 मिनट उसको टाइम देता. हाँ बोलो. अरे पूरा 45 मिनट तू ही बोल, है. So whenever that news telecast comes to an end, the lady will be saying today's weather forecast. Did she say today's climate forecast? लड़का बोला ध्यान तो मेरा सेंटेंस के ऊपर नहीं था. मतलब अरे वर्ल्ड मैप दिखा रहा था ना उसके ऊपर. ओक्लाहोमा सिटी. बोले सर ये किधर है? जाम्बिया छोड़, मैडम क्या बोल रही है पहले है ना. ओहायो ये कहाँ है ना. She gives a lot of countries, small capitals. Which channel I am referring to? BBC International. What is BBC full form? Anybody?
British.
BBC का बाय आपको ब्रिटिश ही है.
British ही याद रहता है.
It is British Broadcasting Corporation. So BBC we have, CNN International we have. So that is how I differentiate the word between climate and weather. All clear? Absolutely. Can I ask this section to give me 1 point of climate? Other side will give me 1 point of weather. Will do?
Difference.
Difference. I mean, common point to Zoya is into that climate group. है ना? Zoya can give me the first point of climate. Or these two guys. Equivalent points. He is giving to weather. Weather. First
So
one.
weather happens in a smaller area.
Okay. Weather is generally for a smaller geographical area.
Climate is obtained to in a larger geography.
Larger geographical area. Second point. Come on.
For a shorter period.
Very good. क्या? अरे मैं फर्स्ट लेक्चर तू ऐसा साष्टांग नमस्कार करने के लिए बैठा है. ऐसा क्या है? ठीक लड़कियां सब लोग स्ट्रीट बैठना यार है इधर. उसके बाद क्या पीछे से टीम आ रहा है कोई क्या होता है? तो अभी से बैठना. Sorry, I will stop Hindi speaking. Many people laugh at my Hindi. Zoya can add any word, any point. She's with what? Climate. Climate. Zoya, any 1 point?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no point?
Sir, climate is for a longer period of time.
Very good. That's done already. Any other point? How many longer duration of time? How many years we observe? Anybody wants to have it to share? 35 years continuously. Yes. Better. Don't say no. Say something. नहीं आता तो तुरंत अपना नाम और रोल नंबर बोल दे. Your name, please.
Ruby Ronaldo.
Ruby Lonavala. Ruby, you are. Dhruvi. Yes, Dhruvi, any point? Weather changes in 1 or 2 days, generally for a shorter duration. Is this clear? So now I pick up the marker and write the first word. The word is climate. Don't write. I'll allow you to write. Okay. So now I say India climate. How many of you can say how is India climate is referred as?
No.
I say tropical monsoonal climate. Everybody accept to this. Don't accept, please tell. क्यों? ठीक है नहीं पूछेगा ना आंसर बस. Anybody have a contradictory opinion? नहीं. तो जो भी लिखता है ऐसा थोड़ी.
Same पूछ रहे हैं ना.
हाँ definitely.
I contradict.
Okay, he has a contradiction. What is the contradiction? A contradiction है. He will mention that.
Questioning against the topic I think.
अरे but contradiction क्या है? अभी मैं तुरंत controversy बोलता तो बहुत कोई आवश्यकता है. बैठे मानते हैं.
अभी उतार देना तो डरा हूँ.
चलो और कुछ. Everyone heard this word. It is monsoonal climate. As he wants to ask, main reason is this. I take 2 words. One is arrival, correct? Another is departure. Have you heard these 2 words? सुना है कि नहीं? Of monsoon in India. ये मैं explain भी कर दूंगा. So that is why it is referred as which climate? Monsoonal climate. Accepted? Then we say it is tropical. Why it is tropical?
Orange.
Okay.
Tropical region.
On the tropic of generally the cancer which passes through the center of India. Am I correct?
No cancer.
Passes through the center of India. अच्छा फिर कहाँ? दून और बता.
Center
India is northeastern hemisphere, and throughout the year the climate is 30 and above generally, and it is having tropical humid climate. What is the meaning of the humid? तुरंत एक लड़का मुझे लास्ट ईयर बोला सर वो परफ्यूम निकालने में
amount of water present in the
atmosphere is more, so will not perspire. Have you heard of a place called Florida?
Yes.
वो इंडिया में फ्लोरिडा कहाँ है?
अरे अमेरिका.
अमेरिका. क्या संबंध है इंडिया का फ्लोरिडा का?
Humid.
It is very humid like Bombay, but they do not sweat at all.
Yeah.
Why?
Like the temperature.
ये दो साल का बात. It is the absence of moisture. They do not perspire. पर उधर जाके हमारा एक्स का कंपनी ऐड डालता है. You understand? एक्स है ना? फिर और कौन सा तो धुआं नहीं पानी. Fog. क्या चल रहा है? Fog है ना? Because they do not perspire. Whereas we, the best is our Mumbai local. कभी गए? अब जाना भी ना. When I raise my hand, suddenly बोले. क्या है? And it is a busy season. I'm traveling at a peak hour, and I want to scratch like this because I'm holding my hand up. Correct. Suddenly मैंने किया भी बाजू वाले ने जोर से दो. लिखो अपने मुंह पे कर. What does it mean? So packed. So it's like we say when the Mumbai local starts from Panvel, for example, Panvel, which are now locations, PT तक जाएगा. तो बेचारे का कैपेसिटी 3000 है, 6000 पब्लिक अंदर घुसता है. तो सोचो कैसा रहेगा वो भी. So we say normally it is the tropics very hot and very humid. So we say that Indian climate is best known as tropical monsoonal climate. Absolutely clear. Then we very quickly understood we have distinguished the word between weather and climate. Anybody have at least thoda sa theory wise clear? I will be giving notes. Now then, the most important part of this chapter, we are going to study something called the seasons. Correct? So let us understand the seasons of India. Do we have distinctive seasons? You understand the meaning of the distinctive? अभी जैसे आज स्कूल गया ये नहीं विजय या तो गया या तो नहीं गया हाँ सर गया बट उधर जाके सो गया है ना आर यू मेंटली प्रेजेंट वो तो बचपन से नहीं है आर यू फिजिकली मम्मी धक्का मार के भेजती है ना आर यू प्रेजेंट इन द साइंस क्लास डेफिनेटली now we have a chapter which are very much connected to our life biology और टीचर को इतना डाउट पूछता है बच्चा टीचर खुद टेंशन में रहती है क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है ना ऐसे अलजेब्रा एक एक्सप्रेशन तो कर दीजिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मुझे जरूर नहीं लगता है क्यों ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का टमाटर वाले से ट्रिग्नोमेट्री थोड़ी का हां बच्चे राइट नोट्स sin थीटा का फार्मूला बोले क्या साहब जी sin थीटा का फार्मूला बता 12 टमाटर नहीं लेते वो नेक्स्ट दिन से गली में आने ही बंद हो गए correct है ना so we say generally we try to practice that's what we put into studies and that's why my lovely students say that practical बातें बता है ना what is that we normally believe climate takes a big toll on you and toll on me also do you accept अभी जैसे रिचार्ज लेटा भगवा के टेंशन में और सब लगे क्या है तो सही कुछ इसको क्या तकलीफ है ना बोला करेगा हम just adding something and if it is rainy season our बच्चा get ready-made things what is that sir नाला बह रहा था वो तू क्या कर रहा था नाले के ऊपर से है सर आप कभी पानी में मतलब जिंदा मतलब जाएगा तो बताना बोले क्यों छुट्टी और क्या so we normally believe we have distinctive season what is distinctive June to September rain starts and October to November one of the season then December to February winter and March to May now we are dry correct इसको लोग ने समर हॉलीडेज बोला कि नहीं पर यूटी का भी समर हॉलीडेज दे
इसमें मतलब सीरियसली वाला मिलता है
फिर मैं बोलता हूँ मेरा लेक्चर में हॉलीडे क्या तेरा लेक्चर में हॉलीडे दूसरे का लॉक क्यों किया दरवाजा व्हाट डज इट मीन हमको बाहर है ना so when I say the word summer holidays because we have some month of March to the month of May we have distinctive which season summer season. So did I explain that word? What is the meaning of the word seasons in India? So let us understand as I started with the word monsoon. I say it is hot and wet. Humid भी है ना? चलो humid wet आता है. Textbook में वही word. है ना? You can say monsoon season. Do you accept the season?
Yes.
If anybody don't accept, please tell me. Zoya, are you able to hear and see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Anybody can tell me the month? I'll write the month in reading. Anybody?
June to September.
Very good. It is June to September. Is it correct or is just blabbering? Correct, correct. One is about us. Next is season of retreating monsoon. I say season of retreating monsoon. I say write M will do. Now let us remember the month. Any idea? Anybody? Next person. Dhruvi. Just इसको follow करो. September तो खत्म ना बार क्यों पीछे? October. Very good. October to November. Only 1 month. Correct? Let us go to the next season. We say it is cool and dry winter. I'll explain all the season one by one. Cool and dry winter. Anybody? Come on, first person.
December. December
To Feb. Feb. How do you pronounce this entire word? Feb.
February.
Pakka? February. And then cool and hot.
And
Humid, है ना? Very humid. We are perspiring a lot. Summer. Now the last person. Which month?
March to
Very good. It is March to March. So let us have two persons only reading me the seasons. Any two persons. One onliner and one offliner will do. So Trisha and Zoya. Let us give it to Trisha. All the season with the name and the month. Okay. Retreating लिखा है. I'm so sorry. हाँ, retreating. हाँ, retweeting it. Sorry. हाँ. Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Let us have Zoya repeating for me.
Hot and wet, humid monsoon season, June to September. Season of retreating monsoon, October to November. Cool and dry winter, December to February. Hot and humid summer, March to May.
Wonderful. Now you want me to explain right from here or right from here? No preferences at all. Yes. Pakka. Yes, sister. Sure. Very good. Since now we are experiencing it. Okay. So we say it is the sun's apparent movement. Why is that? इसका मतलब क्या है? Apparent movement. अरे, सही तो कर. हाँ. Is towards Indian side or towards Indian latitude. So we get more direct rays. You understand direct rays? So generally there is a rise in temperature. Rise in temperature from where to where? From south to north. ऐसा होता है. If you want to show you a small India like this, है ना? थोड़ा सा ये हो गया है. चलेगा? This is west and this is east. और ये north and ये south. यहाँ का temperature increase होता है. And then what is happening? We are experiencing steady rise in temperature. Correct? And the highest temperature, any idea, recorded in which part of India? Which part of India? State. Let me reduce. Yeah, ऐसा move करने जैसे कि Africa चल रहा है. अरे India का पूछ रहा है. Any idea? Very good. Rajasthan. Which place? But there is one place, not Sahara. Highest temperature till today is recorded in a place called Jaisalmer. So, man, look, we are Jaisalmer. Guess how much is the temperature? 30. Well, I'm going to 41. Yeah.
Temperature.
मेरा मन किया था क्लास में से. अरे पूछ ना. हाँ, yes correct. अरे तुमका भी सही मार. हाँ,
Actually,
बताएगा. नहीं. हाँ. कि मैं लेक्चर क्या करूँ? And 1 year they have touched 53. That was last year. One of my very good colleague was there. वो कोई temperature record करने नहीं गया था. उसका काम ही था. फिर मैंने फोन किया तो सर क्या कर रहे हैं नाक से खून बह रहा है मैंने पूछ के What does it mean? He said, sir, इधर 54 है मैंने इधर तो बहुत है. Imagine 54 degree. But then when geographers have recorded 52, the same night, any idea the temperature dropped to 10 degrees. 10 degrees. This is day. This is night. मैं बोलता हूँ imagine hot tawa, one egg falls, omelette ready. तुरंत ये लगना तवा नहीं सर हमारे यहाँ तो अंकल लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. And daytime, sir, kulfi, 10 degree. Can you imagine how come human body anticipate? Current चलेगा हाँ फिर tension. So we always believe, look at this Jaisalmer, the hottest day temperature. Okay. But do we have the coldest place also as compared to this? I can't speak because it's summer. We have a place called where this Kashmir that war was fought between India and Pakistan. The place. A place तो देश का पता नहीं भक्ति बात में रहती है कोई सिग्नल्स नहीं ना है तो उसको जाके बोलेगा तुम बहुत देश की भक्ति है भाई there's a place called कारगिल what a friend नहीं सुना तो हम लोग मूवी बनी कारगिल records -40 degree not only 1 or 2 months for 6 to 8 months. One day I told Indian army fellow trying to break a egg. Egg is not getting break. शायद उसने मुर्गी ना फेविकोल करा है ना छोड़ इतना and to take a glass of water he has to heat cubes of ice and he is more like a polar bear but he is holding a gun also. All thanks to China. Such a cold place but our ranges are there. Correct? So we have the hottest place and we are the coldest place. So in this hot humid summer, and give you a detailed answer when you're giving the rules. Anybody have a query? So again I'm repeating. Sun's apparent movement is more towards India. Apparent movement ka matlab more which rays? Direct rays. And rise in temperature normally from south to north. There is a steady rise in temperature. Highest daytime temperatures are recorded in a place called Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Is this climate absolutely real? So whenever explaining this climate, I always give a small clue. Anybody can give me the abbreviation? तुरंत लड़का बचे ये टीम अभी तक आईपीएल में आया नहीं
आईपीएल में किसी ने क्या टाइम नहीं मिल रहा
जॉन साइड में रखिए आईपीएल में क्या है एनीबॉडी ज्योग्राफी रिलेटेड आईटीसी से रिलेटेड टू समर 91 बोला नहीं it is called as intertropical climatic zone. Come on everybody. Everybody know that? Intertropical climatic zone. एक बार बोर्ड में ऐसा दिया था इसका फुल फॉर्म दिया एंड बोला व्हाट इट इज हमारा बच्चा ने उसी फुल फॉर्म का अपना लैंग्वेज में लिखा इंटरट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेटिक जोन मैंने बोला इसका मीनिंग पूछा वो मुझे किधर आता है ना जो पूछा मैंने लिखा So how do I explain ITCZ if I say this is our rough map of India, correct? Something like this. So we have this entire central India. It is in the month of May. I'm saying it is in the month of May. This zone sets up. And this zone has a direct connection to the monsoon. Any idea why ITCZ ka monsoon ka kya sambandh hai? So when somebody asks me, sir, if it is 1 marks question comes on ITCZ, you have to explain this. It is a zone of, come on, zone of high temperature and low pressure. Come on, everybody. If I ask what is ITCZ, what you guys will tell me? Come on. Once again, please. But when I'm going to explain this monsoon, I will be explaining that in detail. अगर ये ITCZ step नहीं होगा, monsoon नहीं होगा. तुरंत अपना बच्चा बोलेगा यार मैथ्स और साइंस टीचर को बाहर में छोड़ने वाला था रेनफॉल नहीं आया. Rainfall is very important. As if I am riding my bike, and I said yesterday heavy rain. हाँ सर क्या हुआ? I slipped. सर आप जिंदा था ना? So sad. नहीं सर मैं माला वाला लेकर आता था फिर छोड़ो सर खर्चा बचा. So what does it mean when that 26 July in Mumbai? I think you might not have born at that time. Some 10 or 15 years before. There was a huge problem in Bombay. 26 July का नाम तो सुना है? जब बड़ा फ्लड मुंबई में पड़ा. तुरंत एक स्टूडेंट बोला सर आप उस टाइम पे हाँ मैं बात में फिर भी आप बच गए.
हमें बताया इसके बारे में.
बताया ना. So that was the luckiest time in Mumbai. I was also deep into waters. All the way from Parel, I walked to some place called Chembur, if you remember.
Yes.
तो बोलो सर फिर क्या हुआ सर गटर में घुसा है क्या बाहर है Many people have gone inside the gutter and 2 days after Worli to do. क्या करेगा? Mumbai gutters are so sophisticated transport. तुरंत अभी एक रेलवे स्टेशन आ अंडरग्राउंड नहीं बना भी नहीं So that is what I am referring. This zone is very important for setting up of what? Monsoon. So please remind me when I am going to explain monsoon season. Is this season very much clear? So shall we write some few lines in your notebook? Absolutely. ये पूरा explain कर दूँ. अभी से बड़ा मुंह खोलो. ठीक है. चलो write down the heading in your notebook. Put today's date and maintain one separate notebook for geography. Okay. And maybe history teacher comes, you maintain separate notebook for history. अगर आपने इतना मोटा लिया है बता इतना मोटा I don't know how many pages he is carrying, then you can divide equally and take if it is. Write down the heading, today's date यार 12th. मुझे लगा मेरा नाम देख के 2 दिन से तुम खाना नहीं खाएगा. अरे ICSE का लेक्चर आ रहा है ना और तू डेट भूल गया. अच्छा बकरी लगा था भाई. चलो write the heading climate. Shall I?
Yes.
Handwriting बहुत बढ़िया है. The term climate refers to prevailing weather condition. Careful with the spelling prevailing. P-R-E-V-A-I, prevailing weather conditions of. Zoya, if you miss anything in writing, please feel free. Okay. What did I say? Of prevailing weather condition of a larger geographical area. A larger geographical area. A larger geographical area, say what? India. India is which largest country in the world? Geographical area? Pakka? Sure, correct. So bracket will go 7th largest. After the break, I'll ask all the 6 countries which are ahead of India. जो भी पूरा बोलेगा उसको पग छापी मेरे तरफ से बहुत पसंद नहीं चलो 7th largest ना inside the bracket you write 7 observed for a longer duration of time. Observed for a longer duration of time. Bracket 30 hyphen 35 or dash 35 years continuously. So I'm just pausing it here. Please read it. Is it clear? Easy to learn? They'll ask you what is climate. Absolutely. Anybody have a doubt? Please ask me. So either you have to come up my level of speed of understanding, or I will not reduce my speed of teaching. है ना? पक्का? Am I very fast? Are you very slow? अच्छा चलो बीच का बात. Shall we moderate the speed? How many of you know we are going to have bullet train in India? Oh, good. Any time duration कब मिल रहा है?
Time duration कब तक?
मुझे मालूम है. कल ही मोदी ने WhatsApp. नहीं वो WhatsApp का पैकेज नहीं डाला. He is saying 2036. कल ही इंडिया छोड़ के बाहर निकल सकता है. And from where to where the first bullet train? The first. अरे Zoya, no, from where to where bullet train runs? Chembur से It is from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. गुजराती बाबा हर जगह अपने गांव से स्टार्ट करता है सर कौन गुजराती अरे तेरी छो कौन वो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हमारी बॉम्बे में रहता अपने घर के पीछे स्टैंड मारता है so why I'm saying fastest because it is a Japanese collaboration and started in India and we have this train running what is that Vande Bharat anybody have traveled it's beautiful थोड़ा सा टिकट महंगा है but depends on the kilometers अभी नॉर्मल आके 700 है तो उधर 7000 तक भी है टिकट मैंने बोला नहीं 6500 में टिकट मिला तो गया but it is absolutely amazing the coaches the sea you will forget flying in an aeroplane मतलब प्लेन का अलग है but ये भी क्योंकि तुरंत करता सॉरी एयरोस्पेस मतलब इधर नहीं तो क्या कुछ तो होना चाहिए अल्लाह हटाई दे रही है बाहर नहीं अंदर ही बैठ इंडियंस को व्हेन फ्लाइंग इन एरोप्लेन तो बेचारी वो लेडी आके बोलते सर हाउ मे आई हेल्प यू मम्मी बैठी है बाजू आई डिड क्लियर कॉफी ऐसा पूछो ना इफ यू आंसर एरोस्पेस बेटर So I am saying this because India is doing very good with the transport. Are you experiencing? आप लोग बॉम्बे से बाहर जाके वो ट्रांसपोर्ट देखा है? I heard UP has the big development of roads. There is one Purvanchal Express highway where you can land even the biggest aeroplane in India called Hercules IC370, biggest, and jumbo jet भी उसमें उतर सकता है. तो जबकि अपना कार जा रहा है बाद में छोटी बच्ची अपना विंडो में हाँ चल रही और पापा पीछे प्लेन पापा सच्ची प्लेन पापा देख के टेंशन आ रही प्लेन का क्या नहीं जा रहा ये जो एयरलाइन स्ट्रिप था वो पाकिस्तान ने 10 साल पहले ही बना दिया बट इंडिया बेचारा अभी बनाया है दैट रोड इज कॉल्ड एज पूर्वांचल आई विल टीच इट एंड वेयर इमरजेंसी के लिए लैंडिंग कर सकता है it's like Sardar ji taking off the aeroplane but not landing it. Why? In the landing gear मैंने सीखा नहीं. Correct. So now India is far better. And और एक छोटा न्यूज़ देता हूँ, है ना? How many of you know it or not? America का dollar is an international currency. By 2024, Jan, I don't know the exact date. ये अंदर का good news है. India is going to launch Indian currency as an international currency. An American dollar will be traumatized. तुरंत हमारा रागा खड़ा Rahul Gandhi. Why I'm saying till now rupees is slowly and slowly ebbing away from what do you call it a dollar. And अभी dollar है, Japanese yen है ना? China का yuan है, उसमें Indian currency भी हर जगह आप अपना इंडियन करेंसी लिख के जा सकते हैं. I go to Heathrow, the London airport, and any Englishman in the name of the Allah and Jesus and the God. बोले ये क्या होता है? अरे अपना एयरपोर्ट में अल्लाह का नाम पे दे दीजिए. अगर उधर किसी ने बोला फिर हमारा करेंसी तो इंटरनेशनल करेंसी अंदर आएगा चालू नहीं रखा and look at the English. Well, it's okay. Means India is developing very fast now, and by the time you guys are going to jump into earning, आप इंडिया में बैठे बैठे अमेरिका को खरीदेगा. वो वॉशिंगटन का व्हाइट हाउस कितने का है? तो क्यों? पापा ने बोला है इस महीने में बोनस आ रहा है. भी बोलती है नहीं चाहिए बट मैं खरीदूंगा. मतलब बेटा छोड़ दो. नहीं हमको चाहिए. स्कूल पिकनिक जाना. फिर अपना वॉशिंगटन से लेटर आएगा जो बाइडेन प्लीज सेव अस. नो वी विल नॉट. आई वांट दैट बाइडेन. जो बाइडेन को क्या दरवाजे को लेगा और क्या. What does it mean? Slowly and steadily, India is becoming one of the fastest developing nation. तुरंत बच्चा बोलता है बोर्ड एग्जाम में कुछ डेवलपिंग रहेगा तो बच्चा. हाँ तो बोर्ड एग्जाम बंद हो गया पहले क्यों? हाँ हमारे बोर्ड एग्जाम ना तो 2 बार फेल होता ना. So what I was giving, so the fastest is it 30 to 35 years. Second line you write down on these lines, Indian climate.
On these.
Lines. Indian climate is best referred as AF. I normally will pronounce this word like this, okay? Because some people pronounce the spelling. अच्छा वर्ड मेरे साइड देख के फिर बोला हाँ ये इसको ना है ना Indian climate on these lines Indian climate is best referred as tropical monsoonal climate. Indian climate is best referred as, put it into single inverted comma, tropical monsoonal climate. Joya, are you writing there?
Yes, sir.
मैडम वो टेंशन में कोई पीछे है चाकू चूड़ी के साथ? अरे स्माइल हो गई, मम्मी खड़ी है चाकू के साथ, अरे सब्जी वगैरह काट रही है। पापा दिखे बड़ा सा। I was in Rajasthan in this 5-6 days tour. जैसलमेर नहीं गया। मैं जैसे ही उतरा कैमल पूरा भाग गया। मुझे यहाँ एक आया कोई पकड़ते हुए। But lovely था, but those 4-5 days, but those ones, है ना? Wonderful क्या था कुछ? Wonder की बात। Did you write tropical monsoonal climate? Since these are since it is the arrival. Careful of the spelling. I've written the word right here. Arrival and departure. It is the arrival and departure of monsoons. Make it singular, of monsoon. Determines. It is the arrival and departure of monsoon. Determines the setting up of other 3 seasons. Setting up of other 3 seasons. Bus. So underline that word arrival and departure. That is why it is monsoonal. Tropical to Sandar. So throughout the year we have good temperature. Let us write the seasons of India. Now you can open up your either the textbook or the volume and copy the seasons as it is. Although हम लोग explain आगे पीछे करेंगे, समझा? जैसा textbook में किया वैसे कर लेना, या तो अपना volume में चाहिए. What the page number in the volume? 72. Good God. It's on page number 75. We are starting this chapter. Okay. And you can go to a page where I've started the season in page number 80. Are you able to see? Volume and text more or less matching. If you have the textbook also same. First season they given as what hot and dry summer. It's only the name, but the months are all exactly the same. So copy down as it is. Anybody needs my volume? You need it? Take it.
I have.
Okay. Two in one. So copy down as it is. And keep saying it in your heart of heart. How much of mouth se heart? Yeah, this is good. नहीं, ये राजस्थान का पेपर
अच्छा है इसके
there's some problem with this floor I see
नहीं सर नॉर्मली मेरे पास एक जूता जो नया था काइंड ऑफ और अभी भी हाउस चलता है अब बहुत ये
solution to that
अरे पता है
step on final
बाटा
अच्छा
हाँ
no but only this time I'm experiencing maybe that's some floor चलो हिंदी वाला नाच नहीं देना आपने everyone have copied so let's go through a reading test everyone good in reading everyone sure you should challenge me is it no he doesn't want to shall we give it to this person what's your name I can ask
Nelfi, sir.
Indian name is it
Yes,
born in Poland okay Delphi is it
Nelfi.
N for nurse
हाँ.
male or female nurse आज मेरा मम्मी का ट्रीटमेंट शी इज गॉन थ्रू अ बिग सर्जरी है तो मैं ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा था थोड़ा सा ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर सकते और व्हाइल आई वाज सेइंग टू माय मदर यू मेड मी अ नर्स मम्मी बोला था नर्स तू कहां से बना सच्ची अमेरिका में मैं पहली बार हॉस्पिटल गया द डॉक्टर गिव मी सम मेडिसिन इज नर्स विल बी कमिंग एंड आई वाज वेटिंग सडनली एक आदमी आया इंजेक्शन लेके बोला कौन तू आई एम द नर्स अच्छी मैं तो सोचा अगर इंडिया में अगर मेल नर्स का सिस्टम स्टार्ट होगा हॉस्पिटल का आधा बेड से पब्लिक बात
कितना लेट हुआ पता है वो चीज
पता है?
ये जोक कितना
हाँ now Delphi is saying like that it is a very common practice there तो सोचो अगर मलयाली नर्स की जगह पर एक मलयालम नर्स आता है सोचने इंजेक्शन तो कहाँ चल तो तुरंत भाई बात से आ चलो let us give it to Delphi Nel I have a very good memory of the names
आपको मेरा नाम याद है
उनसे ही करता इसका नाम नुवान नेवान ये भाई साहब का नाम पहले भी हम था चलो Nelfi is reading the first season that we have already explained am I correct hot and humid summer everyone take to page number 18 come on take your pencil in your hand slowly she is going to read I am going to explain thoroughly okay shall we please Zoya you have a volume of UT
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क हम लोग जरा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाएंगे नहीं फिकर हाँ श्योर
Hot and dry summer season lasts from March to May. During this season, the sun is shining vertically over the top.
only underline the word vertically tropic of cancer ओए अब बोल tropic of cancer इंडिया का मिडिल से पास what teaching everyone tropic of cancer नहीं पास होता है पता है ऐसा कैसा कभी बोलते नहीं कभी हाँ
मैं गलत था सर
नहीं मैं सही है
आप
चल
And the belt of maximum temperature moves northwest.
underline the word northwest now if you don't remember I think हमारे मुंबई के को डायरेक्शन देना बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना कभी किसी ने गलती से पूछ लिया ये बिल्डिंग कहाँ को पड़ता है हम लोग डायरेक्शन कैसे देते हैं
फिर बाद में पता है
हाँ so always I make my student very simple to remember the direction this is north automatically
So,
this is
west.
and this is okay let us have a small direction test
Northeast.
oh good this is northeast
Southwest.
southwest correct है सबको मालूम है ये
Yes, sir.
and now this is southeast
South.
and this is
Northwest.
please draw this in your notebook somewhere or either in the wall don't confuse this direction because we have to do geography है ना you'll become a merchant in Navy नहीं बन suddenly merchant भी नहीं बना नेवी तो मुझे कभी लिया ही नहीं आता मेरे पास ब्लैक यूनिफॉर्म है और व्हाइट मॉडल्स गुड बॉय डायरेक्शन गुड अरे खैर मैं गुड बोल रहा हूँ जस्ट लेफ्ट द डायरेक्शन जब मैंने कर Anybody have this Mariners Compass at home or mobile में है? कभी यूज किया है? क्यों नहीं? ठीक है। और लड़का तो मैंने इतना डायरेक्शन पढ़ा रात में उठा वॉशरूम को तो सेट तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में उधर तो पापा का बेडरूम है ना वॉशरूम के लिए कुछ नहीं चुपचाप लाइट ऑन करो और जा so always remember directions are very important when I'm going to teach you which topic Toposhi we have a separate chapter come on Nelson come on go ahead
The heat is intense. The temperature increases steadily from south to north.
underline that intense did I say from south to north it is increasing
Yes.
somewhere here underline that word ये सब देखो मैंने रात को ही रखा मारता है ना चलिए
The
please
heat from south to north with the highest in the interior.
underline highest in the interior is there any reason why interior region में हमेशा temperature बहुत
अगर कोई कोस्ट होता तो फिर वाटर मॉइस्चर
why does it be why only was it I think we can do
अरे वो क्या बोलते हैं लैंड ब्रीज एंड
वाटर
वाटर लैंड ब्रीज एंड वाटर ब्रीज की वजह से
why it is only interior part we have two places one is Mumbai do we love it हम जी मुंबई है ना बोर्ड लिखा तो 2 दिन के बाद वो बोर्ड लाल पिच कर
यस
ये तो ये चालू है ना फिर हमारा ट्रैफिक पुलिस हाँ बोलो तो ये क्या है वो ताकत है ना देन यू हैव दिल्ली तुरंत एक प्रॉब्लम उसके साथ दिल वालों का फिर मैंने मुंबई का दिल्ली वालों का है ना so Delhi is an interior place or a landlocked place you understand landlocked
Yes.
no water bodies whereas we अपना गटर वटर नहीं हाँ water bodies कौन सा है मुंबई Arabian Sea so we have two influence हाँ अरे cold if it is near to the sea which are the two influencing
लैंड ब्रीज वाटर
very good it's land breeze and water breeze does the Delhi or the Delhi get this land and sea breeze no they do not get it so that's why it's very hot during summer very cold during winter but Kejriwal nahi मानते बीजेपी का हाथ है इसमें मोदी ने कुछ प्लान किया है भाई साहब मोदी का और ज्योग्राफी का संबंध है सर ये पहले ही भाषण में लिखा क्यों नहीं ऐसे ही बोल दिया है ना so it's always remember Delhi landlocked interior whereas Mumbai is closer to which region coastal region which breeze we get it land breeze and is it हमारा मुंबई का climate very hot है hot but not very hot is Mumbai climate is very cold है not very cold in Delhi temperature drops extremely and the Delhi school opens early morning 11 o'clock or 10:30 in the morning in winter हमारा बच्चा क्या मम्मी बदलूं से है ना and the car speed during Delhi winter should not be more than 30 kilometers per hour speed सोचा अगर मुझे कार चलाने का आता तो मैंने एक्सीलेटर को दबाया दबा मालूम पड़ा 4 कार के ऊपर मैं जाके बैठा हूँ 30 में फाइल है और मैं 90 में दबाई तो क्या होगा 4 कार के ऊपर मेरा कार and that is a danger what is that we are having fog have you heard about so now you know what this place is right here Mumbai and Delhi is a which place landlocked and Mumbai is a which place coastal where we have extreme climate Delhi where we have moderate climate is it okay Zoya क्या बोल रहा था मैं इतना देर
Yes, sir.
but what I was explaining
Delhi, Delhi and Mumbai के बारे में उनका climate.
very good चलिए let's proceed Nelfi please
But the highest average temperatures are 38 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius.
underline that or put into bracket are they saying average you understand what is average means all over Indian city 38 to 42 today if you have observed the climate in Mumbai has clocked 41 degree Are we closer to the national average? 1 degree kam tha. Suddenly tomorrow Mumbai is going to 42 or 43, it's okay. Imagine Delhi and North side. They might be much higher than what Mumbai. Correct? Chalo.
40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius in central India and 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan.
Oh, underline my lovely Rajasthan. अरे होता है ना स्टेट तो तुरंत क्या इधर देख रहे हैं उधर देख
The highest temperatures are recorded in Thar Desert of India and Pakistan as well as on the Indus River.
underline that word Thar desert दीदी जैसलमेर आएगा संडे नहीं आए तो फिर हम लोग डाल
It is during May that the low pressure areas begin to develop over the land, but during this time the winds do not blow from the sea and therefore the weather remains dry. The low pressure over northern plains draw winds from the surrounding areas and waves rise to thunderstorm with dusty winds.
underline this word thunderstorms and underline low pressure. I'll explain this. My 9th standard students remember high temperature and low pressure. Remember, it has a converse relation. Sorry, inverse relation. Mathematics. चलिए आगे आगे.
The thunderstorms
Read.
accompanied with strong winds and heavy
It's
rainfall.
accompanied.
Accompanied with strong winds and heavy rainfall.
Conversion.
Assam and West Bengal. These local winds are called Kal.
Underline that word. Sorry to take your 1 minute extra break. I'll come back after 5 minutes exactly. Will do? क्या क्या अच्छा दे रहा है अच्छा रहने देना आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एनीथिंग वी विल मीट आफ्टर 5 minutes जोया कम बैक हाँ Because this 5 or 10 minutes you are fundamental right now. This time and then it's. Chaliye. Hey, is that topic done or still reading it? Only 2 points are there. Oh, let us do it start. Please ready for me. Do we please read that? By the previous slide.
These local and or
Tal Baishaki. Hey, everyone is good with their English? Confirm? These guys know how bad I am and good I am. You like the way of my method of teaching? Surely? Anyone have any? कुछ पूछना है? कुछ नहीं पूछना है, कुछ बोलना है? I, dear Zoya.
Yes, sir. What?
Want to add something? Zoya is having water in your tears. इतना जल्दी रोने का नहीं बेटा.
No, sir.
ऐसा smile. फिर से क्या? चलो, Dhruvi, start reading.
meaning the family of the mouth in
यार इंग्लिश का ये बात क्या अच्छा यार थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश पे एक्चुअली
this rain in the month of April May is good for tea in Assam.
underline it is good for tea in Assam. Understand? I love this thing. It's saying
And jute and rice and
underline word jute and rice. Anybody knows what is jute? Gunny bag. Do we make gunny bag? What is jute? In fact, we have that jute. We'll be explaining in detail. Agriculture chapter mein hai.
in West Bengal, in Assam, these forms are
Okay, good. Thank you. Let us give it to
Nelfi.
Nelfi. Dhruvi, please improve your what is it? Speaking. Speaking Topographical. Okay. Dhruvi, look at. Any help from my side? Not worsen your reading. To improve yours. अरे बोलो, without fees I will help you. चलिए, Nelfi is continuing.
The little rainfall caused by thunderstorms along the Kerala and Karnataka coast is very important for mango.
Underline, it is very important for mango. And अभी आएगा mango shards. You understand about mango shards? How many really love this mango fruit? अभी, oh really? Alfonso सब लोग ने खाया? मुझे किसी ने नहीं दिया. Alfonso. Am I pronouncing right? But in Kerala, they do not have Alfonso. This pre-monsoon chart help in ripening of mango. Exam में आया था. Why it is known as mango chart? एक लड़के ने along with the rainfall mango. Mango chart. ये कौन सा नया chart? तो कोई chart नहीं. चलिए.
Is called mango shower. Such rains are.
मुझे लिख देना GR. Mango chart के नीचे everyone write GR. What is GR? Give reason. नहीं समझ लो.
Such rains are also called cherry blossoms in Karnataka.
What is that? Cherry blossoms in Karnataka. What this Karnataka is Karnataka. You heard of a place called Kurg? You heard of? Wait. Some part of Telangana. इसको Kurg. What's Kurg is popular for? मैं पहले इधर ही रहता था. ऐसा कुछ. It is known for its coffee.
इसके लिए सुना था.
Kurg coffee. World class famous coffee. In fact, some foreign investors invest in the soil. They make the cherry of coffee and they take it to their country. Itna rich, Kurg. Next time you spend time, what is that in our area called as popular concept? Coffee shop.
कैसे वो पड़ेगा?
CCD.
कौन बोलता है वो अभी में
And उधर जाने के बाद I really love CCD coffee there until the time bill doesn't come. And the cup is so small, I put the mouth into pura noodles. And there was one villager who came to that CCD, it's a joke like, and he ordered a coffee. And it's 350 rupees. He said, Paisa mere paas bahut hai. ठीक है, कॉफी लाया, So जोर से चिल्ला, ये क्या 350 रुपीस का और कॉफी ठंडा क्यों है? ओ मेरे लिए कर थैंक यू। तो तुरंत किसी ने बोला सर आपने कोल्ड कॉफी ऑर्डर किया, ऐसा है क्या? गर्म थी। What does it mean? This Kurg plantation, this stars are very healthy. Please visit this place at least online. You will love it, Kurg. Yeah? And these stars are helpful in which place? Karnataka coffee plant. So next time you go into Balasta, CCD, ABC, DC, Kami Jao, don't forget our Kurg. देखो इंडिया में इतना अच्छा कॉफी है एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक आप कोई भी साउथ इंडियन कॉफी शॉप में कॉफी पिएगा 15, 20, 20, 30 बट बरिस्ता का बिल देख के बोलता नहीं अम्मा कॉफी क्यों भी बना है ना सर उधर म्यूजिक रहता है ये रहता है बट बिल नहीं चाहिए करेक्ट है सो डोंट फॉरगेट कुड कम ऑन
Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season.
अच्छा it is started new paragraph.
Yes.
So everyone underline the word southwest. I am going to explain this season. So we are into which season out from the board? We are here. Am I correct?
Yes.
Autumn humid monsoon. It is also known by the name which season? Southwest monsoon season. Is the same word written there? Shall I start explaining first? क्यों थोड़ा ऑपोजिट नहीं हो सकता आप पहला थोड़ा सा रीड करो साउथ वेस्ट मानसून सीजन ऐसा नहीं हो सकता
यस सर
हर चीज के लिए ठीक है फर्स्ट आई एक्सप्लेन ओके
यस सर
मैं बोलने लगी ही इज अ रियल जेम now I'll show you this okay now this is our Himalaya so this is Bob Bay of Bengal. Okay, this is Indian Ocean IO. This is AF Arabian Sea. This is Himalayas. If you remember, I said something called as.
I think.
Which month does it start? In the month of May. So, is our month of May March to, and what is our rainy June? Now, what is going to happen? Maybe the first. Or I say second week of May. Second week of May, we are having something called as a big zone, correct? A big zone sets in which India? Central India. It is known as ICSE. Come on, what is ICSE? Everyone? Wonderful. Come on, everyone. Intertropical zone. अगर किसी ने पूछा व्हाट इज आईटीसी दैट इट इज द जोन ऑफ अभी मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन हाई टेंपरेचर एंड लो प्रेशर व्हेन आई कॉल द वर्ड हाई टेंपरेचर सिंस इट इज डायरेक्ट रेज द टेंपरेचर्स आर very much high so what is high here temperatures are high what will be low AP will be low. What is AP stands for? Air pressure or atmospheric pressure. At the same time, over Indian Ocean, I am saying over Indian Ocean, here high temperature, here it will be low temperature. If temperature is low, what will be high? AP will be high. So try to understand AP is low, AP is high. Generally, very good. He knows the answer. Generally, winds tends to move from a zone of high pressure to a zone of low pressure. ये तो सबको मालूम है. कभी ऐसा wind flow होता है उल्टा, कभी नहीं. High temperature से high pressure से low pressure में जाता है. Zoe, are you able to hear and clearly understand the board? Okay.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
The winds are moving from Indian Ocean and entering India from the first zone, Arabian Sea, and the second zone, Bay of Bengal. So Indian Ocean का दो branch है. Which is the first branch? Arabian Sea branch, which is the second branch? Already these winds are carrying moisture from which ocean? Indian Ocean. If it is entering from Arabian Sea, it is going to carry more moisture. If it is entering from Bob, it is going to carry more moisture. And this will be the last week of May, correct? Or the first week of June. Are you understanding what I'm trying to start? the season hot and wet, rainy season, also known as southwest monsoon. If at all you feel this IT season set late, अगर वो मई में नहीं बन रहा है, जून में बन रहा है, my rainfall will also get delayed. If at all it is setting up early, my rainfall will also come early. Am I not justifying the word with season? Are you understanding? So this is what is happening by the setting up of what? ICSE. Now, first week of June, clouds are formed. Now they are slowly ascending. You understand the meaning of ascending? It is moving up. And it will move to a place where the Himalayas reach you. जैसे आप अपना मम्मी और पापा से चुपके से बाहर निकलता था, तुरंत करते हो, आंटी बिल्कुल जाओ। अरे समझ गया? अरे आंटी के साथ पापा न्यूज़पेपर शेयर So when I say the word Himalayas, they act as a climatic divide. For two reasons. One, it does not allow the severe cold winds from Tibet to enter into India. First. Second, these clouds are not allowed to escape. I remember my 12th standard, I think. The first lecture I bunked in my life. And that was the last lecture also. I just moved out of the door and my class man was standing out next. But I said, ma'am, eraser didn't get over. Eraser either way again. It jumped out of the place. Then what are you planning? हिमालय से वैसे ही ये क्लाउड्स बच के बाहर निकलने का ट्राई कर और हिमालय इधर नीचे जा. So now the Himalayas are obstructing the which winds? The moisture laden winds. When they are descending, what will happen? Evaporation का opposite होगा. What is that? Condensation will take place. You understand what is condensation? Then the rain starts. Two places of India gets the first rainfall. Any idea?
Most.
Kerala, very good. Kerala gets the first. Which is the other place? Very good question. Then we have Andaman. Kerala and Andaman gets the first showers. Did we not study a shower called as Manu showers? Where was that? Kerala. So once the Kerala, where is it? When we have this Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar somewhere here gets the shower, then the geographical calendar will be ready. Sir, ये कौन सा नया calendar? काला निर्णय सुना है, ये सुना है. वहां से हमारा rainfall पूरा India को start. So this is how which season is setting in India? Hot and wet monsoon season, also known as which season? We have one more monsoon जो ये है, इसको हम लोग northeast बोलते हैं, ठीक है? I will tell you the reason why it is called as southwest, why it is called as northeast. If this is very clear, absolutely. Although the board looks very messy and this India is also very messy because we are far away from a person called Lionel Messi. Correct?
Yeah.
Who is he? मेरा time तो walking. Come on, Trisha, who wants to read? Let's check Trisha's reading. She is reading on page number 81 or 88. Season of monsoon. Carry on. Underline June and ends in September. Hey, can I ask you a small doubt? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Abhi June 1st and September 30 or 31st. Is the rainfall June 1st? चल start ऐसे ही हुआ है. क्यों ऐसे नहीं? इधर तो लिखा है June. अब क्यों नहीं? Why is June to September written? Although rainfall sometimes starts in the month of July also.
It's an average rate of the rain.
We'll say average. Don't love us.
Option क्या है?
Come on.
But then the listen.
proper rain. What is improper rain also? Correct. She's absolutely what he and what she's saying correct. They might have observed for how many years?
Climate is
35 years. अभी तो ये monsoon. जैसे आज cloud आया, बता आज मेरा मूड नहीं है, कभी अब कभी cloud ऐसा बोलेगा, तुरंत अपन नहीं मैंने WhatsApp किया है,
हुआ है ऐसा।
और Swiggy में order किया है, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता। So normally June लिखा जाता है because it is on an average, but sometimes it starts very late and goes very early. Sometimes starts very early, goes very early. तो देखो हमारा मानसून भी एकदम आपका और मेरा तरह है, अनसर्टन एंड इरेगुलर। हमारा बच्चा का आज लोग देखना 2 दिन के बाद बोलेगा सर, फिर 2 दिन के बाद सर फिर से भूल गए। अनसर्टन कौन सा होगा आपने दिया क्या? शुरू दिया, फिर मैंने बोलेगा ये करना ही पड़ेगा, चाय नहीं कर लेंगे बेटा होमवर्क है, भूल के मत देखिए बोले ये क्या यूज। तो कल मम्मी अंदर गई थी किधर वो बात है ना। तो बच्चा को जब मैं चाइल्ड वो सब सिखाता हूँ, दे आर वेरी केयरफुल सर, सर वही कैसे पनिशमेंट पहले आपके करते हैं। चलिए लेट्स मूव। हाँ underline high pressure, put the sea into bracket. Which sea generally we are saying? Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, and Bay of Bengal to the land. Correct?
Yes.
Which land? Which land it is blowing? This sea. Wind. Indian subcontinent. ये इनको मैंने last year videos दिखाया monsoon not only in India, many countries have used. Since we are studying India, मेरा भारत मास. चलिए, go ahead.
These winds make heavy
आप वायलिन को इतना स्वीट बोलेगा तो वायलिन नहीं होगा,
वो भी सर
हाँ।
अजीब लग रहा है।
अजीब लग रहा है। हाँ
this sudden point in concept
फिर से थोड़ा वायलिन तो वायलिन करो। अरे what will you underline root burst of monsoon? I'll just explain this word but. Anytime did you burst on anyone? इसके ऊपर बार टीचर हर रोज क्लास में आती है ना, और मम्मी हर रोज इन्होंने क्या कह रहा है, नया मम्मी थोड़ी आएगी। हाँ आई एम टायर्ड ऑफ दिस है ना। इट्स लाइक a 9th or 8th standard girl writing a letter to the teacher in America. Tomorrow my dad is getting married, I want 2 days of leave. And teacher very good I can. So teacher is, which marriage is your mother? I think 3rd.
I think.
And father, no idea. He hasn't come to my house. Can we imagine me writing a letter? कल हमारे अम्मा की शादी है, कल 2 दिन का छुट्टी। So why I'm saying this? Because in India, uncertainty is very big. With whom? Monsoon. लिखा तो है June, but never it starts in the month of June. Shall we observe this season how it starts? Shall we? Yes. Shall I come that season also?
Yes.
तुरंत बच्चा टाइम टेबल में डालेगा है कि नहीं, और तुरंत आप बाइक में स्लिप होगा या नहीं, स्लिप होगा तो बाइक नहीं होगा तो बिग बाइक. So we always believe as Trisha, she is reading, the monsoon starts from where to where? From the high pressure water body to the low pressure land body. Correct? Children, go ahead. Underline 2 branches. Did I not explain on the board? Arabian Sea branch I put 1. Bay of Bengal I put 2. It is there in the map, is it somewhere?
Yes.
And so please put number 1 here and write Arabian Sea. And 2 Bay of Bengal के नीचे 2 लिख देना. उधर Bay of Bengal दिया है 2. Go ahead. Underline Kerala. It's Kerala. Say it again.
Indians very
Underline that word windward side. I think this I've already explained, but for my new friends, I'm telling. We have windward and leeward side. Okay. So I say a cloud. एकदम dance करके आया है ना? From Marathi dance. And suddenly it strikes this part of the mountain and it gives heavy rain here. And the same monsoon cloud with our एकदम छोटा, है ना? And rain.
That's a really fun.
So the side which gets more rainfall is called as windward side. The side which gets less or no rainfall is called as leeward side. Can you give me any example in Maharashtra? Yeah, topic maybe happen. Very good, very good. Name the place, please. Name the place. Windward side. Yeah, Mahabaleshwar. Have you heard about? Have you gone about? Or the cherries? Cherries, na? Strawberry. And leeward side, we have a place called Wai. What about? ये मैंने भी देखा, मेरा जो गाइड था बोला सर इसको सुसाइड पॉइंट ये लोग ने मैंने कहा मैं नहीं मानता बोले क्यों तू मत so please draw this in your notebook everyone. Put which season southwest and draw this windward and leeward. ये टेक्निक में नहीं है. Whenever you forget क्या मिलता है? हाँ वो every year मिलता है. Keep it somewhere in your safe. Don't fall down and lose it. Earlier it was to be stapled. You can be stapled. Zoya, you go this, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तूने भी सारे खर्चे लेके ऐसा कुछ डाल सकते. अरे never repeat. Windward side and leeward side, right? Mahabaleshwar and Wai. If you want, I can tell you the rainfall how much windward side Mahabaleshwar gets.
There is a specific amount.
Not amount, quantity of rainfall. Amount capacity 300 centimeters.
Oh.
As per the books. And Wai, you write less than 60 centimeters. Windward and leeward. So can you see? Mahabaleshwar gets 300 centimeters average, and Y gets less than 60. 300 कहाँ और 60 centimeters कहाँ. So don't you think climate is a very interesting chapter?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Did I make it more interesting?
Yes.
Thank you. मतलब अपना मुंह से खुद ही बड़ाई करती है. That is the biggest joke now. Sometimes I remember my ICSE battle used to laugh once in a week. जब मैं आता एक लड़का कारगर में रहता था, जब भी मुझे देखने का बहुत जोर मुझे क्या सो लास्ट वीक का जो काफी समय बहुत जल्दी से. And one day asked me, sir, how do you remember so many jokes? मतलब तू सामने आता है प्लेटफॉर्म रेडी हो गया. यार मेरे लिए तुम लोग अभी बेचारे पैसे दे के हंस रहे हैं, पैसे दे के आने में अलग है. I need to brush up my skills.
Oh, you are good at it. You should do.
Shall we go ahead? Zoya, are you able to understand? No, what's happening here? Risha, go ahead. Underline the word parallel. Underline Aravali are low. Yeah, are we worried about the loftiest mountain? No. At least anybody have seen what is Mount Everest?
Yes.
Can you name some peaks of Mount Everest?
There are many those peaks of the Mount Everest.
Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Hello, very her name is Batendri Pal. मैं बोलेगा है
सर मैं बोलने वाला था पर
हाँ मुझे हम
अगर आपने
नेक्स्ट टाइम तो होटल में जाएगा तो मैं बोलेगा मैं खाने वाला था तू आ because Mount Everest is not easy. We have Kanchenjunga, we have Nanda Devi, and a Mount Everest, then Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is not in Himalaya, it is in somewhere in Japan. So we call these lofty mountains have very good bearing to obstruct the clouds. अभी हिमालय एकदम बौना होता नहीं है, clouds high जब मारते हैं तो हिमालय कैसा है, ठीक है मैं टिबेट जा रहा है but Himalaya is so tall है ना, so lofty, हिमालय ऐसे देखिएगा कहाँ जा रहा है भाई, नीचे ऊपर मत से. You understand? When you look at a person, American person, they are generally 6'2", generally 6'2", 6'5" years. I remember first landed in the airport and I was clearing my visas and everything, and one of the police wants to do a handshake with me. अभी पता नहीं उसको मेरे साथ क्या प्यारा है. And first he was this much, but and length was this much, and I was like this. Visa clearance करके बाहर जाने में. Already like you were. ये मारा मत ना इसी. फिर उसके जाने में अपना मुंबई पुलिस का पिक्चर लगा है ना, पहले तो टोपी ऐसा रहेगा उनका ऐसा अच्छा and he was asking my briefcase and everything, and he asked me from where you are. I said Mumbai. आराम से पूछना दूसरा बोले तो डर है ना. And they are so politely talking to us. Sir, please show your tickets and passport. And हमारा मन टिकट का कुड़े टिकट मतलब उसको कोई प्यार से बात के लिए बोला ही नहीं. फिर गलती से अगर मैंने मराठी बोली तो हम चल गई. लेकिन मराठी ज़्यादा आता नहीं. So why I'm saying generally when you go abroad, you understand how's our Indian behaviors. और उधर इमिग्रेशन में लिखा रहता है प्लीज स्टैंड इन अ डिस्टेंस. हमको कहाँ का डिस्टेंस रेडियो प्रोटेक्ट चाहिए और कोई फॉरेनर कर उसके शोल्डर में तो हाल हो जाएगा. So we always believe when we are crossing across, we see these tall mountains, and these mountains have a direct connection to blocking of which winds, the monsoon winds. And Aravallis are not taller. Once upon a time it was taller, but now they are dwarf mountains. Can you name any other mountains? पहला mountain था अभी वो hill बन गया. Rajmahal. Rajmahal सुना है? Rajmahal is much taller than this Himalayas. अभी तो बेचारा dwarf बन गया. अभी कुछ दिन में अंकल का neighbor के पास correct? Agents of gradation. They have eroded. अभी किसी ने मेरे से पूछा हिमालय अभी भी इतना टॉल क्यों है, बिकॉज दे आर स्नो कैप्ड माउंटेन्स एंड थिक स्नो है, एंड बोलता है उसको मेल्ट होने के और 200 साल लगे. तुरंत बताओ तब तक तो मैं बोले एकदम पास. सो टिल दैट स्नो डजंट मेल्ट, दैट हिमालयस विल बी यंग ऑलवेज. करेक्ट. चलिए So one more thing, just sorry to stop. Where you have written Arabian Sea in the textbook, please write. अच्छा already southwest लिखा है, northeast भी लिखा है. Very good. इधर लिखना main monsoon, southwest के नीचे लिखना main, and उधर लिखो bracket में 80% of rainfall. main नहीं 80% of rainfall. इंडिया का 80% rainfall southwest देता है. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आ जाओ सप्लीमेंट्री, उसके नीचे लिखो सप्लीमेंट्री मानसून, नीचे लिखना 20%. इंडिया का 20% रेनफॉल नॉर्थ ईस्ट देता है. अभी डिस्टिंग्विश मैप में आ गया है ना. एंड साउथ वेस्ट के नीचे और एक पॉइंट लिखना, फुल इंडिया, होल इंडिया, नॉट फुल इंडिया, होल इंडिया. साउथ वेस्ट होल इंडिया को रेनफॉल देता है. अंडर साउथ वेस्ट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट यू राइट कोस्टल एपी एंड कोस्टल टीएन. व्हाट इज एपी? आंध्र प्रदेश. एंड टीएन का कौन सा प्रेशर आएगा? तमिलनाडु. कोस्टल एपी एंड कोस्टल तमिलनाडु, ये दोनों स्टेट को रेनफॉर्स देता है. समवन टेल, चलिए शी इज मिसिंग इट. डिड यू राइट कोस्टल एपी एंड टीएन? ध्रुव इस पे हेल्प कर देना आपका दोस्त. वेट, आई शो दिस बॉय इज स्क्रिबलिंग समथिंग. ये इधर समझ में आया? जोया, आर यू एबल टू राइट? गुड. इफ यू फील डाउट प्लीज आस्क. गो अहेड. Underline Andaman Nicobar. Why can't we compare Kerala and Andaman? Last year, Kerala Malayali, Andaman Andaman. Kerala is a state and Andaman Nicobar is a UT. Andaman Nicobar is a UT. Sir, branch udhar. Chalo. funnel, funnel shaped value, वो भी experiment. Underline the word trap.
Bay of Bengal branch of this monster.
In which part of the India? Meghalaya. Have you gone to Meghalaya?
Yes.
Oh, good. कभी?
Time हो गया पर.
बोल मत. You were in diaper that time. ठीक है. If you remember India, you should remember India. है ना? ये मेघालय पार्ट है. We have these 3 hills. I remember them very simple. Khasi, Garo, and Jainita. I don't know Marathi add Khasi, Kokla, Jhanpat, Mokla. खासी का add आता है. तो ये खासी है, गारो है और ये जैनिता है. तो कौन सा नीता? जैनिता. जैनिता. ये 3 hills है. कौन सा पार्ट में है इंडिया में? मेघालय में. एंड दीज, ऑल्दो मैं इधर बोर्ड में ऐसा ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, इन रियलिटी ये ऐसा दिखता है मैप में. इफ आई से दिस इज खासी, दिस इज गारो एंड दिस इज जैनिता. एंड इन अ डिस्टेंस हाउ इट इज लुकिंग लाइक? It looks like funnel. If any clouds enter into this, it has to bang, 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 and it has to drop all the rainfall. It cannot escape out. So that is why we have a place in Meghalaya called, anybody? Yeah, good boy, huh? ये मैंने 9th में इनको बहुत सिंपल वे में याद रखने बोला. मौसी, राम और बीच में एन. मौसी राम. इसके पहले एक और प्लेस था चिरापुंजी. But Cherrapunji is an older place. Now new place is Mountain Ram. So wherever that they have written, please write down this. They have given the place and the date. Please circle the word Mountain Ram. Anybody knows highest rainfall in the world then? How much they have given there? Say here, please write down. It is 1020 centimeters. पर मुंबई जब पानी में गया था, you remember? You won't remember. I was inside the waters. Mumbai received only this much rainfall, 9 centimeters. Reason वो भी बता दो, क्योंकि हमारा मुंबई is known for its gutters. मुंबई जितना फेमस है, गटर उससे भी ज्यादा फेमस. तो जब ये 9 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल गिरा, पूरा गटर भर के अरेबियन सी में गया. और अरेबियन सी में उस दिन लकीली दे हैड द हाईएस्ट हाई टाइड. व्हाट इज दैट टाइड? नोन एज स्प्रिंग टाइड. और जब गटर अपना मुंह से पानी लेकर गया, वो वापस आया, अरेबियन सी पर ये मेरा भी पानी और दोनों का गंगा और जमुना मिला, हम लोग भी उधर ही मिला. तो 9 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल अपना मुंबई बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा. अगर सोचो 1020 होगा तो सरफराना में पानी के अंदर.
उधर से अपना.
And to be very frank, on that day I went to Parade for some mobile related work only. till 1 o'clock there was no rainfall at all. Drizzle हो रहा था. In fact, I didn't carry the umbrella as well. Till I think I remember 1 o'clock rainfall start हुआ. Next दिन सुबह तक rainfall बंद. And by the time we were walking towards that Chembur sign area, electricity तो लोग ने cut कर दिया क्योंकि lines गिरेगा तो people will die. Complete dark. And मुझे एक बंदा sign cross करने के बाद भाई साहब मुझे बैंडल जाने का कहता बोला गटर यहाँ से जा रहा है क्या मजाक कर रहा मैं भी गटर से आ जाती so what we can do सर मुझे सैंटा क्रूज जाने का लोकल खड़ा है क्योंकि everything was stopped no ट्रक के ऊपर से पब्लिक चढ़ के आ रहा उतना पानी लगा and I remember in that night only one vada pav wala was found in Chembur dining garden. Yes. And he charged me 50 rupees and go. But public इतना बड़ा है कि बड़ा डालने से पहले public तो निकालो बोला अरे डालने तो नहीं माम उठा अंदर हाथ नहीं डाला. And my brother was very happy. He stayed in the office and we 2 दिन के बाद दूसरा पानी उतर गया वहां उतर. Many people ran away, went away. What in the water and missing the police station ना लगा है. आपने भी ना pilot का. और नीचे लिखा है Mumbai waters. What is it? That is Mumbai and New Bombay, Panvel had been dropped food packets using a chopper. Mumbai history में कभी ऐसा flood नहीं आया. अगर आया तो फिर मुंबई पे नहीं चले गए. जो उस ईयर जन्म हुआ सबको लाइन. 2000 I think 16, 17 I don't remember. 2008 and 9 it was.
2008 के करीब.
8 and 9. 26 July devastating flood Mumbai and we will never forget because मेरा पापा बोलते थे पानी यहाँ तक था हम चला. मैं बोला पानी यहाँ तक था चला कैसे? मैं स्विमिंग करके. Okay, so never forget which place. Mountain Ram. Where it is? Meghalaya. Which are the hills responsible? Khasi, Garo, and Jainita. Come on, Zoya. Which are the hills?
Khasi, Garhwal and
Jainita. Khasi रहेगा तो फिर cold and cup syrup ले लेने देते. So let's proceed. Okay, now we are getting into retreating. Now I am giving you time to read both the seasons. You have any doubt, please ask me. Today I am not giving you big notes, but next lecture I will give you. Okay. Read both the summer season and the southwest. You have any query, please ask me. या आपका कुछ observe किया है या आपके school में any of the school did they start this chapter? Oh, when did they start?
Last.
Complete? Where they are?
Last page.
Okay, did they come to this part?
Yes,
Explain. Then which school? How was her explanation in comparison to me? 70%.
तुमको बताओ बेटर पढ़ा आता है
कल आपका आशीर्वाद मिला तो
अरे
चलो I am explaining season number 3. Where is it? Season of retreating month. Let me explain this. Now lecture ends by 6:30, is it correct?
6:20.
I'm very perfect now. Okay, I'll leave you sharp by 6:20. Now when I use the word retreating, this season we are talking. Could anybody tell me the meaning of the word retreating?
It's coming.
Coming. So let us draw the map of India. Just bear with my map of India. Okay. This is our Himalayas. Again, I'm writing. This I'm saying Arabian Sea. This is our Bob, Bob Morley. And this is Io, called Indian Ocean. But till the time I was explaining southwest, I was drawing the arrow inside. You remember? Yes, so I'm going to draw arrow outside of India. So it is retreating, means going back. Where they are going back from where they are originating. Correct? So during that season, the reversal, wind reversal. What is wind reversal? Here temperature will be low, correct? And pressure will be high. Which pressure will be high? Atmospheric pressure will be high. And at the same time, above Indian Ocean, temperature will be
High.
high.
And-
Sorry.
Pressure.
Temperature will be high. And as you can see, atmospheric pressure will be low. So now where is the wind going to move from? High pressure to
Low pressure.
low pressure. And that wind was sea to land, and these wind is land to sea. Now generally this wind will be dry or moisture laden. These wind will be dry. ज़्यादा moisture नहीं रहेगा. And already southwest में कितना % rainfall दिया है इंडिया के लिए? How much percent rainfall?
88.
More than 80% of the rainfall is given by this wind. This wind will be giving only wind. And which part of India? The Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh is inside. So it is only the coastal part. What is coastal part? If you remember Coromandel coast. Suna hai? Yeah. And this is which coast?
Okay.
Malabar coast. Okay, this is Coromandel coast. आप वो भी भूल जाओ. You remember Tamil Nadu and AP, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but season of retreating monsoon. Why is the word retreating? It is going by. So which winds these are? Land to sea. And what will be the temperature within India? Low temperature, high pressure in Indian Ocean, high temperature and low pressure. And normally winds move from high pressure to low pressure. As they are moving out, they give only how much % of rainfall?
20%.
8% of why? Because they are generally which winds? Because they are moving quick. Absolutely.
Yes.
Chalo, let us make him to read. Zoya wants to read. It's okay. Relax.
Retreating monsoon season.
Hmm.
Retreating monsoon season lasts from October to November.
Underline that October to November.
During this period, monsoons start retreating or withdrawing first from north and then from the south.
Underline from the north and from the south.
In northwest India, the intensity of low pressure decreases by the middle of September. Monsoon retreats from most parts of North India.
Underline the word retreats and udhar baaju mein likho returns. It is returning or going back.
The low pressure too is gradually replaced by high pressure. And due
Underline low pressure is replaced by high pressure. एक काम करना है ये लिखने के बाद इसका map is given there. Indian map नहीं चाहिए ना.
मतलब
हाँ, ये आप लोग नोटबुक में ड्रॉ कर लो जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया आफ्टर रीडिंग. ओके मैं छोटा बड़ा एक बार थोड़ा सा go ahead.
due to high pressure temperature in daytime and high humidity and comparative low in night temperature, the weather becomes oppressive.
Underline the word oppressed. Say it again.
Oppressive.
Say it again.
Oppressive.
Have you heard about the month of October heat?
Yes.
Did you experience this year? October heat क्या होता है? जैसे अपना rainfall खत्म होता है, sudden increase in the temperature and you feel oppressed. You know what is the meaning of the oppressive?
Yeah.
आप अभी पीटी पीरियड या आपका स्कूल में क्या रहता है पीटी का और पीरियड रहता है ना ये पीरियड क्या बोलता है
Physically.
हाँ सडनली मैथ ही चल रही क्या है ना oppressed. हाँ दैट इज आस्किंग आज मैं अपना बच्ची को पिकनिक लेके मम्मी लोग कुछ नहीं किचन में कहा है ना हाँ तो ऑपरेशन का मतलब क्या है सडन अनइजी फीलिंग कभी हुआ है एग्जाम लिखने के बाद 12 मिनट बाद किसी ने कुछ आवाज कर कभी बच्चे ने 12 मिनट पूछा हाउ फैंटास्टिक हाउ वाज इट फैंटास्टिक
तो कि कोई
हाँ और उनका क्वेश्चन है फैंटास्टिक. And sorry to say, if your mother is accompanying you to the exam hall, the best pressure is that. है ना? हाँ फिर बेटा ये पढ़ बेटा ये नहीं पढ़ बेटा वो भी पढ़ ऑलरेडी 3 घंटा हम लोग का कबड्डी खेल के बाहर आता है मतलब पेपर लिख के बाहर आता है एंड बाहर आता है फिर हमारे डैड बेचारे ऐसे कोई नहीं करते बेटा पेपर बेचारे डैड ऐसे क्यों मांगी बात सोचेगा ना तुम एग्जाम पास नहीं होगा ये मम्मी पूरा खानदान में अभी तक क्या सही है so we always feel this atmospheric pressure and temperature are opposite. What is opposite? Like dad and mom. है ना? अगर mom बोलते नॉर्थ में जाएगा dad बोलेगा नहीं जाना पड़ेगा। जब मम्मी के सामने डैड ने बोलते सब नहीं नॉर्थ की तरफ जाता बट स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर्स आर एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट हमेशा टीचर बेचारा प्रिपेयर करके आता है पढ़ाई करने का इतना ही मानना सर आपने वो मिस्टेक कर दी सर I purposely made it whether you are sleeping or not. Remember my own math teacher trigonometry. This is the first part of the हम लोग बोल सकते हैं क्यों सर आपको इतना डिफिकल्ट लगता है पहले सीखो है ना फिर हमारा सब तरह डायलॉग चेंज किया दिस इज द इजीएस्ट easiest part of it. फिर डायलॉग सीखा यार ऐसे going for picnic very good this is what I will but तू नहीं आएगा no उधर क्या adjust so we always believe this temperature and pressure are like whom and whom also मैंने खुद ऐसा बोला एग्जांपल देना चलो go ahead हो गया चलो last part we are going to do that is hot and humid summer cool and dry winter so now there is a small challenge I'll throw it to you you love the challenges
Yes, sir.
okay yes I love it but I won't take it you will read it silently everyone and everyone will tell me one point that only I will write looking at the wall will do
Yes, sir.
नहीं चाहिए ऐसा नहीं चाहिए नहीं बोला तो भी चलेगा I will say okay चलो come on silently read मीटर में बोर्ड को साफ करने का कोशिश करता हूँ my handwriting is very bold it is not going have to get a wait
Woolen track को बनाना है क्यों का
so get set go huh? Ready we'll start with अच्छा we'll end with ending पहला होता है starting okay the last season what is it given the name cool and dry winter right cool and dry winter and from which month to which month it is yes from May to when Feb to Feb है ना उधर till March मैंने कैसे दिया था हाँ वही just confusing new geography चलो let's start with points or if you see that you are good in writing you are most welcome to take my place and my salary also है ना ये बोला नहीं थी salary नहीं थी अरे तो पैसे ज्यादा तो फिर ये तो संस्कारी लोग चलो first point anybody let Zoya tell me the first point of winter in India Just read it, look at it. I'll write it in the same.
Cold and dry winter season commences at the end of November, continues till March. During this season, the weather remains cool and dry.
Very good. So it is in the month of December to Feb. Correct? It is cool winter and it is dry winter. Why this is the word cool? Why not we are writing the winter is cold? What is the difference between cool and cold?
There is a bit less.
And cold is
Hard.
ज्योग्राफी में ऐसा अभी एक लेक्चर में आपको ज्योग्राफी का बहुत सारा नॉलेज मिला है एक ही लेक्चर में हाँ एक्सपीरियंस बेचारा हम झेल रहा है सबसे झेल रहा है चलो coal is something we say in Mumbai temperatures are cool. In Kashmir it is cold. What is cold? Snowfall. Minus. Below zero. In Mumbai kabhi hua hai? If you get even 23 degree, I seen 23. People come with jumpers, jackets. And Mumbai comes the local Mumbai comes. Thandi was -7, -8. मालूम है? -7 से तो बदलना ही है ना? So our winters are cold. It is cool. Whereas dry, it is lack of moisture.
As it goes from land to sea.
Correct, correct. अभी और एक बात हो आपको lack of moisture तुरंत मैं एक word लिखूंगा. Don't laugh at this word. Coal cream का सेल बढ़ नहीं मालूम है तुरंत आप विंटर आते हैं अपना स्किन में ऐसे करके देखो लगा व्हाट डज इट मीन एब्सेंस ऑफ है ना अभी भी आई थिंक साइंस में एक वर्ड आता है व्हाट इज दैट पीएच वैल्यू पीएच वैल्यू क्या है सर मुझे एसिडिटी वेरी बैड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन
बनते ही है
जितना भी अंदर में जो मुझे चल सेकंड लाइन कम ऑन हां ही हैज नॉट एनी वन
Sir, I gave.
अच्छा तुझे किधर पूछ हां कम ऑन
So there is high pressure on the.
okay
land.
since the temperature is low high pressure correct high pressure and low temperature
Is on land, central land.
high pressure and low temperature over major parts of India. You can say
Yes.
mainland of India. Okay. Next point. Let's do one. Come on. You are now.
As the winds blow from land to sea, they bring cold weather.
इतना काय का उसको गुजरा है बाहर मैंने नाम में एडजस्ट करने लगा और किधर तो तू इतने क्यों फैमिली के अंदर जा बाहर भाई नेवान मैं गलती से निकला हूँ
As the winds blow from land to sea, they bring colder weather.
हाँ so the winds are blowing from where to where from land to sea correct so what kind of temperature will have cold weather and it is dry weather. If it is from sea to land, then it could have been that, not the dry. So it is from land to sea. Next person. Yes, next point. Producing, very good. Incapable of producing rain. Can anybody explain with this? Incapable of producing rain.
Means they cannot take
They don't have moisture. So
because they are.
Yes, very good. Since they are dry winds, they cannot generate rain. And normally in India, even we have, I think in 9th I would have told, we have precipitation, correct?
yes.
But we have normally 4 forms of precipitation.
No.
इतने भी ज़्यादा है, but हम लोग अपना syllabus को थोड़ा reduce कर लेते हैं. So first we have rainfall, correct? Then next is
No.
snowfall. Next is
Hail.
and next is
Hail.
next is ये कॉपी कर लेना ऑल पीपल प्रेसिपिटेशन का ये 4 फॉर्म्स है रेनफॉल स्नोफॉल हेल एंड हेल स्टोन है तो इंडिया में नॉर्मली ये दोनों कॉमन है ये तो बहुत rare है.
There is a thing like this season of spider rainfall, right?
I don't know, some problems of Australia, not the entire.
Yeah, but there is this thing, right?
This Australia is so big, na? It is so. And if I want to track the history of Australia, it is only 60 million years ago. It is very new country.
Oh, wow.
That's why natural fauna is still there. अब इंडिया जैसे 5,000 10,000 रहेगा तो अभी तक तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में फिर जब बंद नहीं रहता और इंडियंस को ऐसे भी नेचर पसंद नहीं है पूरा ध्यान So I will have this 8:17, sorry 6:17. I will stop it in next 1 minute. 2 minutes, we will relax. We can have a small one. Okay. Other interaction. Okay. Come on. Is there any points still there? More points? Let us go to Dhruvi. Am I correct? What is the next one?
This season is black.
Okay. और कुछ नया कुछ है क्या?
Season low over the sea and pass over it.
और कुछ नया?
The eastern coast of India receives some rainfall.
Eastern coast. But write down this only. Eastern coast, less rainfall. Very rare, but okay. So let us understand what is eastern coast and what is western coast. You write west coast this side, and then you write. ये आप लोग उधर ही draw कर लेना. East coast. So there is a small homework I am giving. Generally, I don't give all classwork only, but today I am giving. So everyone, please write the notes of which season, cold and dry season on your own. Okay, so write the question then. Then you can pack your bag. Next 2 minutes, you can explain the cool, dry winter. Explain the cool, dry winter season of India. Cool, dry winter season of India. First, pack your bags quickly. You got no more lectures, na? After this. So maintain the pen notebook. Please read the chapters before you are meeting me. Okay. So read the preceding pages of climate. You are most free to ask me any questions related to my topic or anything you want to update or you want to tell me, है ना? और जल्दी से compliments. ये इसी की तरफ से। आपकी लोग ऐसा पेल भी नहीं करते हैं।
Don't you think both?
Email ID दिया नहीं बच्चे। Zoya, how is your studies in school? Which school are you from?
Podar.
Oh, Podar International, is it? Okay, which chapter they are doing in the school now?
So climate only.
Climate only. Oh, good, huh? Are you able to correlate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so फिर regression बाद में आएगा. Correlation and regression. चलिए. Bye bye. It was wonderful teaching you guys. आप लोग को बहुत सही लगा. I'll see you next week. Okay. Bye bye and take care. Take care, Zoya.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.